Alrighty, we are all back together, almost. I just got to do the engine cover, but big deal. Ready for a test drive. Our water level is full and it's flowing nicely. Power steering back up to full, everything happy. Oil in the dipstick. It's very hot. Yep, we're good. That's really hot. I just turned the car off. So, very happy with everything. I'll take it on a test drive, but we have spotted a small, not even a leak, but a weep. So what you can see there, that little wheel looking thing, that is an access window for the fuel pump. You can't really see it, sort of. Okay, but yeah, so it's weeping a little bit from the bottom there. So I'll have to pull that out and put some silicone behind it and just make sure it's not going to focus. Yeah, so we'll have to just make sure we stop that weeping. We've got a small drip there. It's been running for about 40 minutes, so it's not too bad, but it is sloshing out, so we need to fix it, which is a little bit annoying. There you go, you can see a little bit of wetness there without the light. But yeah, so we'll take it for a run anyway, make sure everything else is okay, and then take final steps, get rid of that one, and that should be the end of it. Happy days.